Hello students, let me introduce ARIA, which is a 7-year-old pediatric high fidelity simulator which we have launched in our College of Physicians and Surgeons Simulation Lab, Mumbai. So one by one we will explore the features of ARIA, starting from top to bottom. In the eyes of the ARIA has a blinking capability. ARIA can move its eyeballs from right to left side. Then ARIA has a pupils that get constricted and dilated. Then ARIA can very well show us the icterus, which is seen properly as a yellow discoloration of the sclera. Then ARIA can show us cataracts in both the eyes. ARIA can show us subconjunctival hemorrhages also in both the eyes. Then ARIA has the realistic airway. We can intubate ARIA. ARIA has a proper oral cavity. We can show cyanosis on ARIA and it is very well seen, and you can observe cyanosis when you will come to the simulation lab of CPs. Then this is a tracheostomy site where tracheostomy can be very well performed on ARIA. Then we can palpate various pulses like carotid pulse, brachial pulse, radial pulse. Also we can palpate femoral pulse, then popliteal pulse and the dorsalis pedis pulse. ARIA has a ECG leads on her chest walls, and ECG can be very well displayed on the screen. Also, ARIA has the two defibrillator leads which can be attached to the SIM defibrillator. This is a defibrillator we have, and we can very well give defibrillation shock to our pediatric patients. That is ARIA. Then this is a second intercostal space and it is showing a small hole over here to give the emergency needle insertion as a treatment for pneumothorax. We can insert ICD also to the ARIA. Then this is a site for intravenous fluid insertion. Also we can give IV injections to ARIA. We can start IV fluids from this site to ARIA. The common interosseous site to give injections is also there in ARIA. Now coming to the respiratory system, we can calculate respiratory rate. ARIA can breathe normally with proper chest expansions. Then in the auscultation, with the help of the SIM stethoscope, this is a SIM stethoscope, we can very well hear different respiratory sounds. We can very well hear normal as well as abnormal respiratory sounds such as rhonchi, then crepitations. We can hear absent air entry as well as diminished air entry in the ARIA. Then coming to the cardiovascular system, ARIA, with the help of the SIM stethoscope, we can hear the heart sounds in all the 4 areas properly. You will get hands-on training to auscultate ARIA. Then coming to the neurological system, ARIA can show us convulsions. In the respiratory sounds, we can very well hear wheeze, laryngospasm, grunting, stridor, etc. Then this screen is very important, which displays ECG, then it displays NIBP, heart rate, SpO2, body temperature, respiratory rate. This is a NIBP cuff we can attach to the monitor, and we can get the NIBP on the screen. So that's all for Arya. I'm very glad that you will be coming and you will be the first batch of pediatric resident to attend hands-on training workshop in College of Physicians and Surgeons Mumbai Simulation Lab. So we will meet at CPS Simulation Lab. Thanks a lot.